Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just gonna get right to it. Vega here for Serpent X Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Got to get back to work, but Ironfish fork is done, and just wanted to go over a few things with you real quick. First off, let's open up their Twitter. They said about an hour ago the first few Fishhash blocks have been mined. Congrats to Cryptex and Hero Miners for finding those first few blocks. We'll talk about that in a minute because right now one pool has a significant amount of net hash. And I'm wondering if it's just the easiest one to go to. Maybe there's some errors. I had some connectivity issues, but either way, that the fork is done. Fishhash is the new algorithm. Unmineable even states here that the Fishhash Ironfish algorithm has been enabled. If you're mining to any of our Ironfish Blake 3 pools, be sure to update your mining software to use Fishhash algorithm. Support for Fishhash algorithm will be added April 2nd. 2024 at 12 GMT. It will replace the current Ironfish Blake 3 algorithm. If you're mining to any of our Ironfish Blake 3 pools, make sure to update your mining software to use the Fishhash algorithm. I already posted out a tweet earlier today that most of the mining software is updated and good to go. Like, for example, Regal, LOL Miner, SRB Miner, Nano Miner, possibly TT Miner with BZ Miner, and a few others like Team Red Miner coming in the future. And if we go, obviously what I always recommend with any token is always stay up to date with their wallets and software. So if you don't have the latest one, make sure you go and grab that. I think we're on 3.0.1. But just make sure you have your wallets updated. Ironfish price has seen some excitement. At least today, it's fallen back down. If we look at the 7 days, it's not looking so good. If we zoom out, not so much. You zoom out even further, not so much, so on and so forth. So Ironfish has diminished price-wise against, some of the activity we've seen in the rest of the ecosystem, but it has recovered some potential, right? Market cap's only at 37 million right now. 24-hour volume is under a million, so this is a really, in my opinion, undervalued coin, but that's just speculation in my opinion. Looking at the pool hash rate, if I get out of your way here, we can see that Cryptex has over 95% of the net hash. That's not good, guys. We need to decentralize our hash rate. However, when I was mining to Humpool and Hero Miners, I was getting some connection issues. I'm not sure exactly what happened. So I'm wondering if that's why most of everybody is going down. Because if we zoom in here, it's kind of like a steep drop-off, right? Like everybody has a steep drop-off when the fork happened. And it's just nosedive, right? Hero Miners was towards the top there, dropping from around 637 terahash to 900, basically 1 terahash, right? So that's a huge dive. Cryptex had a dive as well, but that the hash rate is changing, right? The Fishhash algorithm is completely different than the Blake 3 Ironfish, so that could be why the charts look this way. But still, we shouldn't have 95% of the net hash on a singular pool. So let's try to decentralize that. I'm going to show you how to set that up. But Cryptex pool makes it easy for us. If we go to their website and go to Ironfish, we could see their host. We could see their port numbers, the format, so on and so forth. MMPOS has already initiated it, and so is Hive. Matter of fact, if we go back to my machines here, we can see that I am on it, but I got to make some adjustments. So let's do that now while I got you guys. Flight sheet. I think it's not looking at the correct miner, so we need to make sure it's on the latest and greatest, which of course it didn't update it. All right, so we're gonna have to manually update it. So let's go overwrite the 1.83. And LOL Miner gives us the command right here. So we're going to copy that, update for all workers. Let's give it a minute. Some of my AMD system hates life for whatever reason. Let's go ahead and open up Putty. But basically, if Hive OS should update it here in a few. But this is what the flight sheet looks like, right? So Ironfish, add your wallet if you haven't added your wallet. Choose your pools. They have the pools in here still. And an LOL miner, but we need to be on 1.86 because that's the one that supports the Fishhash algorithm. Added support for Fishhash, including dual mining codes using Fishhash to mine it. Fork with fork for Iron Hash for April 2nd. Significantly increase ton and gram mining performance. Remove old fish testing code. Lolminer will now accept -- algo to put in multiple times. The last occurrence will be the selected algorithm. So now that we have that there, let me just go ahead and load up a putty real quick. I don't think I typed that in right. Too many types. There we go. Let's see here. All right, are we looking good? So we are on Cryptex. Blake Iron, obviously that's probably incorrect. So let's refresh that miner. But I want to stay on 1.83 because I might need to manually update it. If you haven't done so already, Rapid Mining did a great video already out. Probably used the beta testing. All right, so XSF2 is online. Let's see what's going on with my AMD rig. And I'm going to show you here in just a minute. It's really simple on Windows. Let's make sure our AMD rig is coming online. All right, there we go. So this one is good. Let's go ahead and separate these real quick. Let's go top left. All right, now let's go back to my Hive on. Let's go number 4. All right, number 4. And let's open up the Windows side of things. Because one thing I like about Nvidia is I can mine. Crap, did I not update the one on this one? Or is it locked up? Are you locked up? No, there you go. You're just running slow. I'll probably need to reboot this one. Let's see here. All right, so exit code. All right, so something doesn't like something. So let's go ahead and run that command now. But I need to update it to replace 1.83 and not what's in there now. All right, so Lolminer version 1.86. So that's the tar to get it. Echo. Actually, I probably could just, let's see what happens if I run this command. So let's go to, because we know this guy is online. Run command. And feel free to chime in. I'll check chat in a minute and tell me I'm doing shit wrong. As far as Windows, super easy. We just got to grab the latest one, open link and tab. It's going to block it. If you come up here in the top right, you'll see that it's blocked. Click it, download suspicious file. Your antivirus might act a little bit stupid. No problem. And once you have it downloaded, I like to extract it. I'm going to bring this over here. I like to extract all. Another window pops up. Extract all again. Let that rock and roll. I like to copy the name. So right here, because I have a folder already of all the LOL miners, and I like to keep it in alphabetical order. So I'm going to open that. I'm going to go back over here to my miners where I keep all of them. LOL miner. Okay, create new folder. Paste that name in. Copy all this. Paste it in there. And then go back up and copy some of my presets. And I think we could just go up to Ironfish. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Here it is. Mine Ironfish. Right click, edit in Notepad. We're going to need our wallet, right? So here's our wallet. We go to receive, copy, because we're going to need that address here in a little bit. Give it a worker name. Put in your wallet address, replacing what's there. And then we could change the pool, but I'm probably going to stick on that pool. Let's go to Hero Miners real quick. Hero Miners, not Alphium. Damn it. Let's go to regular Hero Miners. And to get back to work here in a sec, folks. I'm just going through the basics. So Ironfish, Hero Miners, North America East. This is what I want right here. So copy that. Boom. Now we can add our extra parameters. What I like to do is if I have one already preset up, for example, let's choose, which one do I want to choose? Let's choose this one. Right here are my presets. We could probably go to hashrate.no and get something a little bit different. Let's actually compare that real quick. Hang on one second. So hashrate.no. Let's go to GPU calculator. Put in our 3080 that's in this system. Hit calculate. I don't care about this, but we need to find iron. Where's iron at? Iron's probably not going to even show up. There it is. Now at least towards the top. Benchmarks. Come down, find a 3080 here on the left-hand side, which I am missing completely for some reason. 3080, there it is. So 61. That's probably going to update. But yeah, so core for Lolminer, that's what it's saying to do. All right, so let's copy that. That's probably not going to work for me. It might not work for you either, but either way, we're just going to test it out. Save as. Make sure you change the save as file type to all. Iron. So I'm going to say new iron hero for hero miners.bat. Save. All right, so now we got that file in there. Let's check on our Hivon. Did it update? I mean, it looks like it's just successfully updated. So let's reboot this device. Open up PuTTY. See what exactly is going on. Somebody's pinging me at work. Bear with me 1 second. Make sure that no immediate people are. One sec. Yeah. All right. So system is locked up. That's because I'm rebooting. Let's go to one of the other rigs. See what's going on. So I want to make sure it's really on Ironfish and not the old Blake 3. So let's open up Lolminer now. That's the old one. Go down, iron new. The beautiful thing is, oh, forgot one more thing. Whenever you get a new Lolminer, come up to the actual file, right click properties, because we need to run, if we want to run those overclocking commands, run as administrator. Okay, yes. So we're going to have 2 windows that pop up now. So first one is initiating it. Second one's going to warn you. So you got to hit allow and run anyway. Then the actual miner pops up. Beautiful thing is I can mine while streaming and recording at the same time on Nvidia, where I can't do that with AMD. Let's restart this miner. Go to the AMD side, restart this miner. And I'm pretty sure my Octaminer is gonna fail, but we'll see here in a minute. So offline, 1 minute 39 seconds. I'm probably gonna have to go over there and turn on the monitor. This one always gives me f***ing trouble, man. Every single time. All right. Let's go back here. Miner. Job receive. I mean, if it was on the wrong algo, it should be giving me rejected shares. So that looks good. That looks good. It's probably got a horrible overclock. Because when was the last time I used Ironfish? Holy crap. On my GPUs, I haven't used it in a while. I've been using it on the FPGA, which I switched over already. FPGAs were kicked off. So Osprey actually sent out an email earlier today saying that, you know, to get off of it and it's no longer supported, yada, yada, yada. So FPGAs like my Xilinx C1100 is already switched off a couple days ago. Osprey Miner is gone. How long will it be till the new FPGAs come online? We'll have to wait and see. But yeah. So as far as getting up and running on mining, Lolminer provides us the command that we can use. It looks like I'm good to go. It's just my 4th device is always giving me a hard time. All right, miner uptime, there it goes. Let's go log back into it. I like to use PuTTY to manage everything. But yeah. So let's see here. Which one do I want to put you? All right, that one's getting up to speed. Where's XSF3 at? Did I log into the same machine twice? Yes, I did. All right, so close that out. Let's go to 3 instead. Make sure that's running good. This is the AMD rig. Don't just set it and forget it. Always double check. All right, hi LA. All right, so something's going on with the AMD rig. It does not like it. Okay, let's what's going on with you? Hang on. Did you reboot? What version are you on? 1.8. I see 1.83. All right, so let's do the same command on this one. It should have updated for all of them. So it's going to do the miner stop command for me, so I don't need to worry about that. Let's check on 2 and 4 again. Okay, 2 and 4 are looking solid. Still need to adjust my overclocks, because if we go to overclocking, it's just using a default config. I don't think there's an iron one in here. Yeah, it is, but it's on Blake 3 iron. So I got to apply that. I got to get that over. Matter of fact, I think the better clock, let's let it get running first. Yep, rejected shares, rejected shares. All right, so let's run the command on this one too. Check in chat. Share is stale. Did you change the algo, the fish algo, and the flight sheet? Well, I chose, let's go to flight sheet. There you go, Fishhash. Thank you, sir. But I still need to update to 1.6. But I don't want to do that. It's updating right now. Hang on. Hang on. I'll finish that in a minute. Because it's updating right now. Alright, so XF2 is coming online. Okay. I already updated it for 4. So let's update all workers now. Okay, edit. Fish algo. Wallet.worker URL. I'm updating or I'm overriding 1.83. Let's make sure that's good. Let's go over to 3 now. Let's see what 3 is doing. All right, let's reboot this rig. Because it's being stupid. All right, so we updated that one. We updated that one. We updated that one, but that one's just being stupid. Let's check on our Windows config. What is it doing? All right, because those hash rates do not look right to me. Let's look at the default batch file real quick. Where did I put it? Where's the algo? Fish. There it is. All right, so Fish is already built into the Windows one. It's built into 1.86. I just need to get my rigs over to 1.86, and Hive hasn't added it yet. Okay, the hash rate on Cryptex is dropping a little bit. Hopefully we could get some more people to swap over to Humpool or Hero Miners or what have you. Come on, baby, reboot. My AMD rig tends to lock up too. All right, let's look at U2. Okay, cooldown, waiting for cooldown, waiting for cooldown. Why are you not updating to 1.86? Still not updating to 1.86. Yeah, let's get on Hive. Or I know a lot of people are angry about Hive. Let's get on where's my other command? wget 1.78 overwrite. Let's get on a different pool. I mean, it has fish. It just, okay, so it still says fish test and fish testnet. You see this right here? For some reason, it still isn't updating to 1.86. All right, so let's just stop miners on both of these. It says the command ran. Let's see here. GitHub release. It downloaded it. We can see that because that's the downloading phase, 100%. Okay, saved. License starting LOL miner. Interesting. All right, let's go to flight sheets. HiveOS just pushed the updated version now. Okay. Let's see here. There it is. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and upgrade number 2. Let's go ahead and upgrade. Let's stop miner first because I know my AMD rig likes to be a BITCH. So we're going to move past that. Stop rig first. Let's go ahead and force upgrade. Let's try to upgrade first. No force upgrade. Come on, baby. Quit being silly. There you go. All right, all 3 of those are upgrading. Let's see our Windows system. So our 4080 or our 3080 is doing around 49 mega hash. If I was not recording / streaming at the same time, probably do like 50. Of course, hash rate.no. If we go to coins, Iron is going to have some of the old stuff until we submit or advise of the latest update. Because you can submit stuff, by the way. Where's it at? Is it in benchmarks? Yeah, see? All right, so some of it is in here. 3080 12 gigabyte 75 mega hash, 3080 61.14 mega hash. Probably could do better if I wasn't streaming and recording at the same time. And then where is it that we could submit it? I thought we can submit it. Let's see here. 3080. Missing pool, blah, blah, blah. Telegram. Where's the user submitted? I saw it a while ago. Users, here you go. And submit. So at the top here, you can put in submitted by operating system. You can see they got HiveOS, MMP OS, Rave OS, Simple Mining OS, Windows, mining software, LOL, SRB, Regal. I wonder if we choose other, can we write it in? No, we can't. We can't just write it in. GPU brand, memory brand. So you fill out all this information, your lock clocks, your core clocks, your mem clock, and then you hit send overclock. And you know, the more data they have, the more accurate they can be. So feel free to submit that as you're testing and tuning. Let's see here. All right, so we're gonna have to reset all of these. I'm pretty sure. Nope, still not. Did you not restart? Oh, successful self upgrade. All right, so let's go with flight sheet, edit. I did the upgrade, but I didn't restart the rigs. So let's go ahead and reboot. Maybe I need to sign out and sign back in. Reboot. Reboot. All right, Control F5. There it is. 1.86 is finally showing up. Control F5 brought it up after we did the update. You shouldn't need to upgrade the HiveOS software. You should be able to just choose that software, that miner software. I guess it just wasn't showing, so Control F5 It is. All right, so let's clear out all these errors and notifications just so we have a clean sheet. I hate that I gotta hit F5 on a regular basis. Hivon, that's really annoying. And I'm not sure what happened with that outage the other day. If you're listening to me, if you're stopping by, but let's get some more stability, please, Hivon. MMPOS, RaveOS. There's a lot of good mining software out there. If Hivon's price budget has expanded beyond what you like, and I completely understand and respect everyone's decisions. Hero miners. All right, we're gonna switch everything. We're gonna switch that flight sheet right now to hero miners. I already have a secondary flight sheet, so let's go ahead and edit that one. We need to do the same thing. Make sure you're not on Ironfish. Let's go to Fishhash as reported by the wonderful chat. Gentlemen. Zapirat. All right, so Fishhash, that's good. 1.86, that's good. Apply changes. Okay. Update. And so we're going to make this one a new favorite, and we're going to make everybody go to that one. Hopefully all the systems reboot just fine. And I'm going to have to reload putty for all of them. All right, there we go. One's coming online. Let's get another one going. So number 3, still not online, probably locked up. Probably need to reset that one manually. All right, this one's good. So always my Nvidia rigs tend to behave. I don't know, Octominer gives me a hard time. The Octominer one give me a hard time. So that one's still starting. But number 3 is still down, so my AMD rig is not happy about something. Come on, baby. Maybe I need to go double check it. Let's see here. All right, gotta get ready to check work. I'm gonna put you guys on this real quick, play some music. I'll be right back. Sometimes I got to restart the AMD rig. It just, when you hit restart, it just won't restart, locks up, and then you got to go hit the button. Anyways, back online. At least that's what it looks like. Let's check what's going on over here. We got somebody spamming us. Of course, we got somebody spamming us. Wonderful day of work. A lot of people like to go to social media to complain, but they don't like going to social media to give kudos. Kudos to the Ironfish team for the Hardfork. I wonder if there was a meeting this morning on Discord, in their Discord, but I wasn't able to attend because, you know, real life work and stuff. If this was my full-time job, I'd be in all kinds of various Discords and meetings and stuff like that, trying to get you guys the latest information. But Rabbit Mining has a good guide out there if you just need the quick one and done, call it a day. But as far as getting it working on Windows, super easy, just like everything else. Go to the latest ones, link in the description, get your Windows zip file, extract it, go to the default, mine Ironfish, right click, edit, change it to what you need it to be, and you're good to go. Looks like Hivon just did an update, so all the steps that I was doing at the beginning is not necessary. But if you want to know the flight sheet, here it is. Ironcoin, put your wallet in there, add wallet. choose your pool. Try to stay off of one. Stop giving one pool all the hash rate, please. Decentralize your hash rate. LOL miner, Regal miner, what were all the ones that, again, that were already updated? So miners already supporting the Fishhash algorithm, Regal, LOL miner, SRB miner, Nano miner, hopefully TT miner is what they say. Team Red miner and BZ miner to come soon. So there's your update there. Most of the miners should be supported. And then go to setup miner config. Make sure per Zapirate, go call out that you change from Iron, because that's what it's going to default to Fishhash. Maybe Hivon fixed that with the update they just did during the live stream. Wallet.worker. If this is blank, by the way, you just go to the I, wall, period, go back to the I, worker, boom, Bob's your uncle. Pool and port should be filled out. Pass should be good. Go down to version, get 1.86. Apply changes, give it a name so you can just differentiate this flight sheet from all your others, and then hit update and you are good to go. But let's see, is this machine back online? It looks like it. Let's go log into it and make sure. Then we got to apply overclocks, but I don't need to do that with you on the line. I just wanted to show you, I just wanted to do this with you guys live because it's very hard to record and still work. I do it, but I don't get to give you guys the real-time updates that you so want and need. So this is the best real-time update I could possibly do for you guys right now. 4 and boom. That's how I like to roll. So we got each rig showing up. It is updating. We got Nvidia mix rig 1 with 3060s, 1080 Ti's, 2070s, and then another mix rig with A2000, 1660 Ti's, 1660 Supers, 3060s, 3070s, 3070 Ti's, all working right now. AMD rig is trying to come online. My overclocks are bucked. Matter of fact, let's see if we can't duplicate. I'm going to duplicate the Pyron hash one actually, because I think that will be best for my AMD rig. So we're going to apply those clocks there. Let's see here for my Nvidia clocks. I think, again, the Pyron hash one would be a good starting base. The Pyron hash, Caspa clocks, like those all worked for me in the past. Probably not the most efficient, but I'm going to get a baseline and then progress from there. But the Blake 3 Iron one, which, speaking of which, that's actually a good point, is NiceHash supporting it. NiceHash algorithms. Let's go to their algorithms page and look up Blake. All right, Blake 3 has been removed. Interesting. Is it under Iron? Okay, so Ironfish is there. Interesting. But is that the right one? Does NiceHash show on here? No, it doesn't. There's Fishhash. I just saw it. Where did it go? Right here. Here's Fishhash. Okay. So why does Iron still have 56 terahash? Is that accurate? 1,923 miners, whereas Fishhash on NiceHash has 58. Are people still mining to this? Obviously, because they got. Look at that. What do you guys think about that? But why are people still mining here? I am mining it to NiceHash, but is the correct one? Yeah. So Fishhash is the correct one. I should assume that this number climbs up, but I wonder, out of these over almost 2,000 workers, have they not got the memo? Let's do a quick tweet and see if we could grab some of their attention. I can't see the real-time hash rate on Ironfish. Let's actually, maybe we can. Hang on one second. Let me move this over here because I don't want you guys to see my stuff. But let's go to Hashplate Marketplace real quick. Let's turn off my visuals and let's go look. So Ironfish. So here's Fishhash. Okay. Not much there as far as orders being put in. Interesting, right? So not many people are mining to it. And then Ironfish, okay. So Ironfish is, or excuse me, NiceHash is still transitioning. Definitely still transitioning. But yeah, 946 miners, 670 miners, doing around 29 terahash and 23 terahash. So that equals that 56. So let's go ahead and ping some people. Let's see here. If you are still using NiceHash to mine, is that NiceHash's? Yeah, NiceHash mining. To mine Ironfish, please update to new algo. You are getting stale shares or rejected and just wasting money. Well, they're not wasting money. They're paying NiceHash for it. So, I mean, NiceHash probably doesn't care if they mess up or whatever. But it's not a lot of market orders out there. But still, people are still spending their own Bitcoin to mine an algo that's no longer existing. All right, let's check here so we can get ready to wrap up here. Let's see how the AMD rig is now doing. Still giving me errors. Go figure. Did it lock up during the install? Wouldn't surprise me because you guys still do remember I have that Micron little like 8 gigabyte NAND flash SSD, so to speak. All right, I gotta get ready to wrap up here. This is a problem for me to figure out, not you guys. I would like to see the performance. I'll probably put it up there, but you can see the 3080 is around 4.4 mega hash on this one. I wonder if it's reading incorrectly. Hang on. Because where should we be at again? So the 3080 should be around 61 mega hash using the Fishhash algorithm. And my 3080 right now is doing about 48 with the same clocks that we set from hashrate.no, but I'm streaming and recording at the same time. So yeah, let's check out the other rig. 333. I wonder if it's just reporting incorrectly. That wouldn't surprise me. Would that surprise you? All right, 40 mega hash on Radeon 7 and 30 mega hash on A2000. So my A2000 is doing 3.4 or 2.48. I'm wondering if that really translates. Let's go back to 4 real quick. Miner. Something's not right. How does it look to you? Like, why does it look different on Hyvon compared to Windows, the pirate? Okay, that's right. And it likes mem. I forgot about that. I applied the Apyron hash. All right, let's remove that. And let's see here. I will apply a different clock that has some memory added to it. I'll just have to reset it up. Let's see here. Should I do my EVGA ones? No, because I swapped out GPUs. So some of these overclocks were when I had different sets of GPUs in. So if I apply it, some of the overclocks are going to apply to the wrong GPUs, right? Especially if you swap out GPUs. So I'll just rebuild from scratch. Maybe the Autolycos one would be a good one to do. But I will rebuild from scratch, going down each one, right? And then get it set and then apply it. The 3070 Ti always runs hot because one fan is dead. But yeah, so try ETC ETH clocks. That's what I'm going to do, but I can't just apply. I can't just copy it because this ETH hash or this ETC hash is when, like, for example, the 3070 Ti wasn't in there. The 1660 Supers were on the other system. So it's going to apply clocks for different GPUs to the wrong GPU. So I'll do all that offline. But as far as getting the flight sheet up and running, Ironfish wallet, choose a pool that's not having all the hash rate. Make sure you change the algo. Wallet worker, pool URL, pool port, pass. Make sure you got the right version. If you don't update your Hivon up here in the top, you just look for it. You should be able to choose 1.86. MMPOS already has it. MinerStat should already have it. All kinds of different stuff. Windows, get the latest one. Link down in the description. Extract it. Make sure you don't forget to right-click the LOL Miner exe and make it run as administrator, so that way your clocks and settings can apply. And if you have any friends mining Ironfish, the old Ironfish on NiceHash, tell them to get the fuck off, okay? So they're not wasting their Bitcoin. Anyways, thank you for your time. Thank you for hanging out with me for 40-something minutes. Have a blessed day. Take care of yourself. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. No closing out, no stream, no nothing. Just go. Vete. Gracias. Te veo. Hit the like button. Get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. Oh, Krootman is streaming next. Let's go find him real quick. Maybe I can redirect, even though there's only like probably a handful. All right, let me. I don't know if they will allow me to redirect to him, but let me try, because you gotta allow it. If you don't allow it, then it won't work. Yeah, he won't let me. It won't let me redirect to him. All right, you guys go have fun. I'll see you later.